Money. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, man. Welcome back. About to do a 1v1 real quick, man. You guys have already seen them in week 1. This dude right here. Asked him to play a 1v1 and he said he was down. So we're finna get it, man. Quick video, let's get it. Game to 12. So yeah, bro, what you saying, bro? You about to win or what?
Yeah, I'm finna win.
Yeah? All right, let's get it, bro. But yeah, y'all, we're about to run it. It's the first of 12, 1s and 2s, man. That boy been getting some shots up for a little minute now. That shot better be on now. I haven't been shooting yet, man. I just been setting up this camera, trying to find the perfect angle. You feel me? Now that I've been recording for a few weeks, I kind of got the concept of where it kind of should be. That should be good right there. Yes, sir. All right, bet. Time money. Time money.
This nigga, bro.
Garbage ass nigga. First name Trash, middle name Garbage, last name Cash.
Shut up, nigga.
My bad. Up. Yo, 17, get in. Fucking suck.
Back to the sun.
He touched it before it went out.
Why you lying?
Camera don't lie.
Why you lying?
We got that show 4K. Replay that shit. Yo, you know.
Airball, no way, bro.
Yo, ass old. Earned it.
Time money. Time money.
Yo, what y'all playing?
12.
What score?
Time money.
This nigga got 9, nigga.
What? Lose your focus and shit. D up, nigga. D up. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, there you go. There you fucking go, son. Stop this shit. Stop it. Deal. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Taking that shit, man. Fuck.
Stop it.
Damn, son, I keep forgetting. Tired as fuck, nigga. Shit. I got sun in that corner, man. I can't keep shooting over there.
Let me get out this.
There you go. There you go, huh? Yeah! Yeah! There you go. 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 Power up defense.
What y'all witnessing right now called defense. You hear me? D-fucking-fence. A D and a fence, goddammit. That's the shit.
Deal. Go to work, go to work. Stay on it, move with it. Hands up. Yeah!
What I told you, motherfuckers, defense. That's the game.
Go to work. That's a dumbass shot, son. That's a dumbass fucking shot. Get your ass back in defense. Watch, you fucked up right there. God on your side. Take that dumbass shit. Nut shit, bro.
Oh my god.
That shit's good, bro. You saw how that shit. That shit thought about it.
You ain't like that, remember that. I need a whistle. Hands up! There you go. Drive in, big body ass Toyota. Hustle! This nigga off the court. Good shot. I ain't believe it, but okay. I thought you had none. I thought he said he had none.
I about to say that's the longest 9 ever.
Damn, he got 8. Go to work. Watch your forehead. Forehead stopping you from thinking. Hustle! Back on. Go to work. Left, right, cross. Bum. And drive. I just told you what to do. Bum. And drive. Try it. Bum. There you go. Defense! There you go. Your ball, baby. Come on. Move that hair out your forehead. Let's go. Go to work. Go to work, uncle. He's shooting. Get big! I don't like getting nobody mad, but that's part of the game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah!
Oh my.
Yeah! Oh God. Go to work. Don't be stupid. There you go. Fuck! Do the walk. Ah! Roof.
I just witnessed a whole lot of motherfucking gang shit over there. That boy right there put on his best work, you know. He got stopped by the big boy because of the forehead.
Appreciate you, dog.
That nigga forehead
This man got me, bro. What's up?
Good,
Tell him what's up, man.
What's good, man?
That was a good game, dog.
Hell yeah, good shit,
Good shit,
boy.
bro. That was a good ass game.
Hell yeah.
Boy came back, did his thing, man. I didn't think he was gonna come back like that, but
Good, huh? I won.
yeah,
This
he got
nigga
me.
good though, what the fuck?
Hey, man, you good too, bro.
That
That's
nigga
good
almost beat
shit.
my ass. I had to come back on some bullshit.
Next time though, rematch. Gotta get a
2.
rematch for
Part
sure.
2, man.
Get that
To be continued.
4K. Get that bitch on 4K. Y'all pay attention. That's how a real nigga shoot. That's how you
Ah.
That's how you
Yeah.